Hey guys, I want to show you these aluminum horizontal balusters that I just got. As you can see, our wall is starting to fall over. It's not in good shape at all actually. So what I'm going to do is we're going to install some 6x6 cedar posts all the way around the perimeter of this concrete, and we're going to install these things. They're 1.6 millimeters thickness. They're about just over 56 inches in length. They got a powder coated matte black finish to them. They're corrosion resistant, rust resistant, smooth, easy to clean if you did want to wipe them down, but perfect for all elements. Very easy to install as well. It comes with a 5/8 drill bit. And what I did here was I actually drilled a couple pieces just so you guys could see. But yeah, I just drilled a couple holes with the bit that came with it, and literally, picture this as a 6x6 post. It's just gonna go right into it, and then you'll do the connecting one over there. And we're gonna do about, I don't know, probably 5 or 6 tall, or maybe 4 to 5. But yeah, they're very sturdy. Yeah, I think we're gonna enjoy them, and I think you would too. So thanks for watching.